What else do you see?
Sad.
What's sad? This caterpillar sad?
Yeah,
He ate his dinner.
no.
He didn't eat his dinner. Do you see, what else do you see there?
Cricket.
Is there strawberries?
No.
Hi, love. Good morning.
Happy.
Happy! Hey, Maceo. Can I see your muscles? Good muscles.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
This one.
That's a cocoon. Very hungry caterpillar.
This one. This home.
That's his home, you're right.
Yeah. Butterfly home.
Good job, Nevin. You just pulled off your other sock.
Butterfly.
Butterfly! Is the butterfly gonna fly away?
Nope.
Nope. Hey, Nev, let's not eat our sock.
Hey, mouth.
Be gentle. Hey, be gentle.
You eat it.
Yeah, it's okay. Can you gently take it from him, though? Perfect. Thank you. It's okay. Do you want to give him something else? Don't give him the cream. Can you give him a pacifier? No. No, buddy. Oh, yuck. No, buddy. Give me your hand. Come here. Okay. Yuck. Yuck, 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 yuck. We don't want that. We don't want that.
Buddy.
Yep, okay.
Buddy here.
Yeah, okay. Maceo, muscles. Good muscles. Do you like muscles? No. What's more? Can you show me what more is? Good, more. We've been showing that to Levin, right? More. Are you the Lion King? Hey, don't hit that, please. No hitting, buddy. You can hit the couch, that's okay, but we don't hit people. Hi. Hi, cuteness. Hi. Are you tickling mommy?
Yeah.
Tickling mommy. Go tickle Levin. Tickles. Tickles. Tickles.
Pocket.
I have a pocket, that's right.
In
What's in my pocket?
pocket in phone in pocket.
Okay, I'll put my phone in the pocket. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. Blow a kiss. Bye.